Imagine this. You're serving dessert to your family or guests, and instead of pulling out a store-bought can of whipped cream, you bring out something fluffy, rich, and homemade that tastes 10 times better. That's the magic of whipped cream dispensers. They don't just save time, they also let you get creative with flavors: vanilla, chocolate, even coffee foam. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, the place where we bring you the best kitchen gadgets and Amazon finds to upgrade your cooking game. And guess what? All the Amazon Best Deal links are in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best whipped cream dispensers in 2025. From budget-friendly picks to professional-grade tools, there's something here for every kitchen. Let's get started. Number 5. Your Kitchen Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. At number 5, we've got the Your Kitchen Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. This sleek black model combines affordability with real durability. The body and head are both made from reinforced aluminum, which means you don't have to worry about cracks like with plastic versions. At the same time, aluminum is lighter than stainless steel, so it's easier to use during longer prep sessions. The finish is lacquered, helping it stay scratch-resistant and looking sharp even after constant washing. In testing, it handled standard whipped cream beautifully, light, fluffy, and stable for hours. Your Kitchen also includes 3 different decorating tips plus a cleaning brush, making it easy to create cafe-style desserts at home. Now, there are limits. Because it's aluminum, it's best used for cold applications only. You won't be able to whip up hot sauces or warm foam safely here. And while the threads are reinforced, it still doesn't feel as heavy-duty as a professional-grade stainless steel unit. Best for home users who want great value and dependable whipped cream without spending a fortune. Less ideal for professional chefs or anyone needing heat-safe versatility. If you just want a solid, budget-friendly dispenser for topping sundaes, pies, or hot cocoa, the Your Kitchen model won't let you down. Number 4. ISI Gourmet Whipped Cream Dispenser. Coming in at number 4 is the ISI Gourmet Whip, a favorite in both home and professional kitchens. Unlike most dispensers that only handle cold recipes, this one is designed to work with both hot and cold applications. That means you can whip up foams for soups, sauces, or even frothy toppings for your coffee. The canister and head are made entirely of stainless steel, so it's durable, non-reactive, and dishwasher safe. Stainless steel also means you can use acidic liquids like lemon or lime without worrying about corrosion or off flavors. This set includes 3 stainless steel decorator tips: star, straight, and tulip, plus a cleaning brush, chargers, and a holder. On the downside, stainless steel makes it heavier than aluminum options, so if you have smaller hands, you might find it less comfortable during long prep sessions. And of course, the price tag is higher since it's a premium product. Best for creative home cooks and pros who want both hot and cold versatility. Less ideal for casual users who only need simple whipped cream. If you're serious about expanding your kitchen game, the ISI Gourmet Whip brings restaurant-level possibilities right into your home. Number 3. Zomo Professional Whipped Cream Dispenser. At number 3, we've got the Zomo Professional Whipped Cream Dispenser. This compact 0.5 pint model is perfect if you don't have a lot of storage space but still want professional quality whipped cream at home. Made from lightweight aluminum, it's easy to hold, clean, and store, making it ideal for casual users or smaller households. Zomo includes 3 decorating tips to help you make beautiful desserts and a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. When tested with standard cream, the results were light, airy, and perfectly textured. For everyday whipped cream toppings, this little unit shines. That said, there are some trade-offs. Its smaller size means you'll need to refill more often if you're serving a crowd. It also struggles with denser mixtures like chocolate whipped cream or mousses, and because it's aluminum, it's not heat-safe. Best for families or individuals who want a compact, budget-friendly dispenser. Less ideal for heavy-duty users or anyone making thicker recipes. If you're after something light, portable, and efficient for quick desserts, the Zomo is a fun and affordable choice. Number 2. Stainless Steel Whipped Cream Dispenser. At number 2, we've got the stainless steel whipped cream dispenser, a commercial-grade option built for durability and versatility. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this unit won't rust, stain, or react with acidic foods. You can even refrigerate mousse or citrus-infused creams inside the canister without worrying about flavor changes. This dispenser includes multiple tip styles for decorating and filling, making it more versatile than basic models. Some sets even come with silicone grip bands, so you can color-code multiple canisters, useful if you're prepping different flavors at once. During testing, it whipped both classic cream and thicker chocolate mixtures without a problem, showing its strength for demanding use. The trade-offs? It's heavier than aluminum options and a bit pricier, but for anyone serious about kitchen creativity, the sturdiness and reliability are worth the investment. Best for home chefs or bakers who want pro-level quality and durability. Less ideal for beginners looking for something lightweight and cheap. If you're upgrading your kitchen tools, this stainless steel dispenser is built to handle just about anything you throw at it. Number 1. ISI North America Cream Profi Whip Professional. Finally, at number 1, we've got the ISI North America Cream Profi Whip Professional, arguably the gold standard for whipped cream dispensers. This model is trusted by chefs worldwide and built for long-term professional use. Both the head and body are stainless steel, with a removable piston and silicone seal for easy cleaning and maximum hygiene. Performance-wise, it's excellent. Whether you're making light vanilla whipped cream, dense chocolate mousse, or even savory foams, the Profi Whip delivers consistent, fluffy results. It's NSF certified, meaning it meets professional food safety standards. It also includes a decorator tip with stainless steel threads and a cleaning brush. Because it's stainless steel, it won't stain, hold odors, or react with acidic foods, making it perfect for everything from citrus mousses to flavored creams. Yes, it's heavier and pricier than entry-level models, but the durability and performance more than justify the investment. Best for serious home cooks, bakers, and professionals who want a tool that lasts for years. Less ideal for occasional users who just want a budget-friendly option. If you want the very best in performance and reliability, the ISI Cream Profi Whip is the dispenser to beat. And there you have it, the top 5 best whipped cream dispensers you can grab right now on Amazon. Whether you just want to top your hot chocolate at home or you're serious about creating cafe-style desserts, there's a dispenser on this list for you. So tell me in the comments, which one would you add to your kitchen first? I'd love to hear your choice. And don't forget, all the Amazon best deal links are right in the description so you can grab yours easily. Thanks for watching Consumer Heaven, your home for smart kitchen upgrades. Until next time, keep cooking, keep creating, and keep enjoying the little things that make life delicious.